If you didn't know, they have a service where you can order your hair system completely custom from them, down to the base size, down to the haircut, down to the base type. They do it all, folks. And I have the package sitting in front of my house, and I'm gonna go get it right now and unbox it for you guys so you can see what the process is like.
All right, my friends, so it is now time for me to finally sit down and try and figure out my new hair system from Superhairpieces. So as you can see, this has lace in the middle, and it has poly on the outside. So my plan is to use Walker's No Shine tape around the poly part, and then use a little bit of Ghost Bond glue on the front hairline, and then just leave the inside free to air out. So this is what the tape looks like. It's a big roll. I'm just gonna start by getting a big strand of it here. And you want scissors that are very sharp for this. So I'm just gonna start by just putting this piece of tape right on here along where the poly is. Sometimes it does go over the edge just because of the roundness of the hair system, so you can go in with your scissors and trim the tape. I'm gonna press that on. I don't have any amount of time that I like hold it on for or anything like that. I just press it on until I feel like it's on there nice and tight. And then you just peel the backing off, put that there, and then go to your next piece. One little pro tip is that when you're putting tape around the edges, like the front or the back edges, you might want to use like smaller pieces of tape because it's easier to place and trim them. And I'm going to repeat the process until I have tape all over this, and I'll be back in a second, y'all. I have my tape on my hair system. It didn't take too long, probably like 5 minutes to be honest. I have my tape on there, and I'm going to put it on my head. Let's see how this goes. And don't stress if you don't get it right the first time. Okay, so I'm looking in the mirror right now. I'm gonna put the back on first. Yeah. Here we go. So I can feel on the back of my head where I have my hair shaved to, so that's helpful. I'm going to stick on the back and the sides first. I want to make sure that those are stuck on. I'm doing pretty good so far. Now that the back and the sides are like stuck on well, I'm going to move on to the middle front and middle sides. Pull that down a little bit. You want to kind of make sure that like it's taut, because when you don't have tape in the middle, it's easy for the hair not to be like taut, and it won't stick as well. So as you can see, my hairline is not glued down yet, and that's going to be something I do here in a second. All right, see that? That's some nice Ghost Bond glue right there, and I'm going to put that right here on my hairline where I want it to stick. I'm not using this on hot, I'm just using this on the cool setting. Dry it to where it becomes a little tacky. I dropped something, but that's basically what you do for all the areas of your hairline. So now what I'm gonna do is pull this down to where it goes over all the place where I had the glue. Should be stuck on there. You might have a little like glue run over, and you can just clean that up with whatever you have handy, like clean that up. And yeah, there you have it, folks. Look at that. That looks great. And as it dries more, it will look more and more natural. So,
And guess what, my friends? It's that easy. Ignore my hair right now because it's not styled at all. I was like holding it down to get it on, but look at that hairline, y'all. And it will get better the more the day goes on, because it's the beginning of the day right now, and as that glue dries down, it will look more and more natural, y'all. So I showed you every step. You're ready to do it yourself. All you need is a hair system, which can be purchased from the lovely people at Superhairpieces. Tape, glue, pretty much you're set other than that. Superhairpieces has this awesome new service where you can order a custom hairpiece down to the base size, down to the haircut, down to the color, the type, everything you want. It can be done online at Superhairpieces. They're here, they have resources, they have people to help you all the time. They're very nice, they're very easy to work with, so I highly recommend buying a hair system from them and making them your primary provider for hair systems. I'm gonna go style my hair and I'll check back in really briefly at the end to show you how I styled it. All right, so this is how far I've gotten so far. Before you comment anything, I know it's poofy. That's just how hair systems look at first. I'm gonna wear a hat today and then sleep on it, and I know for a fact it's gonna be less poofy because I've done it before. This is not my first rodeo with Superhairpieces. They make the highest quality Indian Remy hair systems that you will be able to find. You will not regret buying from them. And try out their new service. Get a custom haircut, get a custom cut base, and you can do everything at home, y'all, literally. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna put a hat on, try to get this a little flatter, and maybe I'll check back in later, show you how it's looking. But I believe in you. You can do this yourself at home. Friends, this only took me about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, friends, and you could have hair again. That's all it takes. Hello, y'all. I gotta admit, it's a couple weeks after I last made a video about my new hair, but I wanted to show you how I've been wearing it and how it looks on my head. So here you go. I love it. Again, Superhairpieces are great people. There's great people there. They will be able to help you every step of the way in your hair system journey. And don't be afraid. That's the number one thing to know. Everything is covered for you. Every step of the process.